Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm thrilled to bring you an in-depth review of the Vizio 5.1 channel soundbar SE with wireless subwoofer. You may check the link below to get this at the best price available. This soundbar promises to deliver a top-notch audio experience with its surround sound capabilities and powerful bass. Let's dive into what makes the Vizio 5.1 a standout choice for your home entertainment setup. First off, let's talk about the design. The Vizio 5.1 channel soundbar SE features a sleek and modern design that will seamlessly blend into any home decor. Its slim profile allows it to sit discreetly beneath your TV, while the wireless subwoofer can be placed anywhere in the room to maximize bass impact. The soundbar and subwoofer are both constructed with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and a premium finish. This soundbar system not only enhances your audio experience but also adds a touch of elegance to your home theater setup. Now, let's move on to the audio quality. The highlight of this soundbar system is its 5.1 channel configuration, which delivers immersive and dynamic surround sound. The Vizio 5.1 is equipped with multiple speakers, including 2 rear satellite speakers, strategically positioned to create a true surround sound experience. This makes you feel like you're right in the middle of the action, with sound coming from all directions. The audio quality is crisp and detailed, with powerful bass and precise treble that provide a balanced and rich audio experience. One of the standout features of the Vizio 5.1 is its wireless subwoofer. This subwoofer enhances the low frequencies, delivering deeper and more impactful bass. Whether you're watching an action-packed movie or listening to your favorite music, the subwoofer ensures that you feel every beat and explosion. The combination of the soundbar and subwoofer provides a full-range audio experience that elevates your overall listening experience. The soundbar system also includes Dolby Digital and DTS virtual technology, which creates a three-dimensional sound experience. These technologies make you feel like you're right in the middle of the action, with sound coming from all directions. The audio quality is clear and detailed, with powerful bass and precise treble that provide a balanced and rich audio experience. In terms of connectivity, the Vizio 5.1 offers a variety of options. It includes HDMI ARC, optical input, Bluetooth, and USB, allowing you to connect a wide range of devices such as gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, and smartphones. The HDMI ARC support ensures high-quality audio transmission from your TV, while Bluetooth enables wireless streaming from your smartphone or other devices. This soundbar is designed to be easy to set up and use, with a user-friendly interface and intuitive controls. The Vizio 5.1 also includes several advanced features the soundbar also includes an on-screen display, OSD, allowing you to see the current side the best possible audio quality. This ensures that dialogue is clear and easy to understand, even during loud action scenes. The soundbar also includes a night mode, which reduces the volume of loud sounds while maintaining clear dialogue, making it perfect for late-night viewing. In terms of audio customization, the Vizio 5.1 offers various features to enhance your listening experience. The soundbar includes multiple sound modes, such as movie, music, and game, allowing you to optimize the audio settings for different types of content. The soundbar also includes a dialogue enhancement feature, which improves the clarity of speech, making it easier to understand conversations in movies and TV shows. The Vizio 5.1 channel soundbar SE is also designed with user convenience in mind. The included remote control features a simple and intuitive layout, making it easy to access all the soundbar's functions. The soundbar also includes an on-screen display, OSD, allowing you to see the current settings and make adjustments easily. The user-friendly interface ensures a hassle-free setup and operation. In conclusion, the Vizio 5.1 channel soundbar SE with wireless subwoofer is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home audio system. Its sleek design, powerful audio performance, and advanced features make it a top-tier soundbar system that delivers an immersive and dynamic sound experience. Whether you're a movie enthusiast, a music lover, or a gamer, this soundbar system has something to offer for everyone.